Chai-1 claims in their results that it is producing better result than AlphaFold3 in terms of protein and ligand pose predictions. This slide is from their paper or from their website. So the left side is ligand pose buster set for AlphaFold3, and this is Chai-1 and Rosetta TTF fold. So Rosetta TTF fold is far behind, but Chai-1 is slightly better. If you can see, it's slightly better than AlphaFold3 in ligand pose predictions, are predicting the best poses for a protein and ligand modeling. On the other hand, they have also tested for all atoms the Chai-1 single sequence and the Chai-1 and the AlphaFold 2.3 and AlphaFold 3. The AlphaFold 3 is tested here, and for this range or for this panel, they have tested the AlphaFold 2.3 version. I think at that time, AlphaFold 3 was not released, so this could be the one reason. But for all protein interaction, it is better than AlphaFold 2.3. For antibody protein prediction, Chai-1 is once again better, and for protein monomers predictions, they are it's not very significant, but slightly better than AlphaFold 2. So these were all the things. So I believe, as according to their results, Chai-1 is a bit better or slightly better than the AlphaFold 3.